Hello, today I'm going to show you how to get Droid sounds for your iPod or iPhone or maybe iPad, I'm not sure. But the first one, of course, is the slide to unlock.
Droid.
You can hear how it says Droid. Sounds pretty cool. And then when you type, you can hear how it sounds different. And then the sleep one. I'm not too sure of many other sounds that the iPhone makes, but if there's any other ones that are in here, let me know. Alright, so to get this, you want to go to Cydia. And you're going to search for Droid sounds. And then it's going to be that second one there. You're just going to install it. Go to Winterboard. And activate it. Right there, Droid sounds. Alright. Thanks for watching. If you want to know how to do anything with the jailbreak, let me know. If I don't already have it, I will figure it out. Alright, thanks guys.